How to use auto clicker on Android. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily use auto clicker on Android device. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Play Store and then search for an auto clicker. Go to the search bar and search for auto clicker, hit enter, and then you can just install any auto clicker you want. This one is pretty good, which has over 100 million downloads and has over 4.2 star reviews on Google Play. Now, once the installation is complete, you just gotta open up the auto clicker. So let's just wait for it to install and then tap on open. Once you open up auto clicker, you want to provide some accessibility services, tap on OK. And then you want to go to auto clicker and change it up. Go to installed app, go to auto clicker, turn this one on, tap on allow. And you could also turn on the shortcut if you want, but I'll just keep it off. Let's just go back to auto clicker, click on enable the single target mode. And then from here, what we can do is go wherever you want. So I have a game over here, which I can just open up. And let's say if you want to play a game, you can just change the duration as well, number of cycles, amount of times. I'll just do something like under 100 milliseconds. I'll just do number of cycles, choose number of cycles, or you could just run indefinitely. Now, once you load up the game or wherever you want to use the auto clicker, just go to the game. I'll just scroll down here, find a game. All right, so let's just do this one for now. I'll go over here, tap on the game, tap on bot. Let's just go easy mode. Select your target and then start playing. As you can see here, it's automatically tapping the button and I'm able to win just like that. So if I just head over there, it's automatically tapping just like so. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.